How to block and unblock someone on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can block as well as unblock someone on the Instagram app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've done so, let us get started with the blocking process first of all. So go ahead and open up Instagram, log into your account, and you can see this is how it is going to look like. Let's say that I want to block a certain person from this list. So what I will do is I will simply go to the profile page. You'll be able to see a list of options. Now you can go ahead and see this option which is block at the bottom of the screen right when you tap to the chat details. So go ahead and tap on block, and it will ask you for a confirmation whether you want to block this person only on the chat feed or whether you want to block the whole profile so that you will not receive any type of feeds or updates and so on. So in order to do that, what you want to do is tap on the block button which you see. As soon as you tap on the block button, you can see it says that you blocked this person. Now you could basically go ahead and tap on the delete button to remove the block list. But if you don't find that option, obviously you will not find their name whenever you search for them on the profile feed because you've blocked their name. So instead, what you want to do is go to your profile page first of all, and then tap on the three lines corner at the very top right corner, and then go to settings. So on the list of all these options, you simply have to go ahead and select the third option which is privacy. Go ahead and then select privacy, and as soon as you select privacy, scroll down to the very bottom and you'll find a section which is blocked accounts. All you have to do is tap on blocked account, and you'll see this option which says to unblock. So you'll be able to see basically a list of all of the people whom you've blocked in the past, and all you have to do is tap on the unblock button which you see, and then tap on unblock again right over here. And basically this is it. This is how you can block and then unblock people on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you still in our next video.